we got another one of these super toxic deployments going on, and we'll see if we can listen to how they explain this.
Australian photographer Michael Marsden recently captured a series of spectacular images that quickly went
That's right, spectacular images.
viral online. The plane seen here is a Qatar Airways 777. It looks like it's painting rainbows in the sky.
Oh, it's painting something in the sky, that's for sure.
While some people have wondered if the images are photoshopped, Marsden insists
No, we film it every day.
the photos are legit. Weather Network meteorologist Kelly Sonnenberg says there's a simple explanation.
Yeah, a simple explanation. You got ships out in the ocean deploying bunker fuel. You got planes and drones spraying the shit out of our skies every day, and they're creating a synthetic fake cloud above the sky, trapping all the heat in, causing the climate chaos.
This natural phenomenon occurs when moist air from the plane's exhaust cools in the cold temperatures in the upper levels of the troposphere.
They're not flying up in the troposphere. Oh, they're going to buffer us out. I see how they want to play. Oh, they're not going to let us, they don't want us to make fun of it. I wonder if I can fast forward a little bit. They're not going to let us play it. All right, oh well. Well, their description is nonsense, and it's a lie. How about the environmental impact of the shipping? Includes air pollution, water pollution, acoustic, and oil pollution. I didn't even think about the acoustic part of the cargo ships and stuff. So ships are responsible for more than 18% of some air pollutants. Wow, that's way more than the cars.